All right, so last thing with interest, what happens with our compound interest instead of compounded quarterly? What if it's compounded continuously? So we have a different formula, and we call this PERT. So this is the natural number e, so e is a number, just like pi is a number. And so when you plug in e, you're plugging in a number in your calculator. And how you find that is second, and then the ln button, second natural log. And so similar situation, let's say I gave you $30,000 and you were getting 10% interest, and I told you about the rule of 7, after 7 years it would double. So let's see if that works. And so with PERT, assuming it's compounded continuously, we would use this. So we would say A of a certain period of time equals this $30,000 of my initial investment times E, which is a natural number, so that is a number, not a variable, raised to my interest rate. So instead of 10%, remember, move the decimal place 2 spots, so it's 0.1, and then times the number of years, or time in years, which is 7. So again, if you plug that in your calculator, you would say 30,000 and then second the natural log to get your E, raised to the 0.1 times 7, and that means after 7 years we would have, again dealing with money, so $60,412.58. And so there are a few things you need to know. What happens if we're just talking about annual interest? And so that would be 1 plus or minus if it's growing or decaying. What happens if we have compounded interest, like quarterly or monthly or daily, whatever? And then what happens if we have compounded continuously? So they're all very similar. There's just a little bit of differences in terms of which one you use in regards to the interest rate and the number of times that it's compounded.